everyone. Welcome back to our Easy English podcast in English with Leo and Maya YouTube channel. I'm Maya.
And I'm Leo. How are you all doing today?
We hope you're doing great. Today we have a very useful topic for you.
Yes, today we're going to talk about morning routines.
Morning routines. This is perfect for beginners because we all have a morning routine, right?
Exactly. Every day we wake up, we do some things, and then we start our day.
And learning to talk about your morning routine in English is super helpful.
You can use it when you meet new friends, in job interviews, or just in everyday conversation.
So today, Leo and I will share our morning routines, teach you useful vocabulary, and help you practice.
And at the end, we have a fun question of the day for you.
So make sure you listen until the end.
But first, if you're new here, welcome. Please subscribe to our channel.
Yes, hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and turn on notifications so you never miss a lesson.
All right, let's start talking about morning routines.
So, Leo, tell me, what time do you usually wake up?
Me, I usually wake up at 6:30 in the morning.
6:30, that's early.
Yeah, I try to wake up early. What about you, Maya?
I wake up around 7 a.m. I like to sleep a little more.
That's okay. 7 o'clock is still a good time.
So, everyone, the first thing we do in the morning is wake up. That means you open your eyes and stop sleeping.
Right, wake up. Let's say it together. Wake up.
Wake up. Good.
Okay, so after I wake up, I get out of bed.
Get out of bed. That means you leave your bed and stand up.
Exactly. Sometimes it's hard to get out of bed, especially in winter.
Oh, yes. When it's cold, I just want to stay in bed.
Me too, but we have to get up, right?
Yes. So after I get out of bed, I stretch.
Oh, stretching. That's good for your body.
Yes, stretch means you move your arms and legs like this to wake up your body.
I stretch too. It feels nice.
Then what do you do next, Leo?
After that, I go to the bathroom. I wash my face.
Wash my face. Very important. I wash my face with cold water to wake up.
Cold water. Wow, you're brave.
It helps me feel fresh.
I use warm water. Then I brush my teeth.
Ah, yes, brush my teeth. We should brush our teeth every morning, right?
Absolutely, for about 2 minutes.
Good habit. I also brush my teeth right after I wash my face.
Perfect. So let's repeat these words.
Wake up.
Get out of bed.
Stretch.
Wash my face.
Brush my teeth.
Great. Now let's continue.
After brushing my teeth, I take a shower.
Take a shower. Yes. Do you take a shower in the morning or at night?
I always take a shower in the morning. It wakes me up.
I usually take a shower at night, but sometimes in the morning too, if I have time.
That's good. After my shower, I get dressed.
Get dressed means you put on your clothes.
Yes, I choose my clothes and get dressed.
Me too. I try to pick comfortable clothes.
Good idea. So now we have
Take a shower.
get dressed.
Excellent. Now what about breakfast?
Oh, yes. Breakfast is very important.
After I get dressed, I go to the kitchen and make breakfast.
Make breakfast. What do you usually eat for breakfast, Leo?
I like to eat toast with butter, and I drink coffee.
Nice. I usually eat cereal with milk or sometimes eggs.
Eggs are healthy. Do you have breakfast at home or at work?
I have breakfast at home. Have breakfast means to eat breakfast.
Right. You can say make breakfast when you prepare the food and have breakfast when you eat it.
Exactly. So make breakfast and have breakfast.
Let's repeat.
Make breakfast.
Have breakfast.
Good job, everyone.
After breakfast, what do you do, Maya?
After breakfast, I check my phone.
Ah, me too. I check messages and emails.
Yes, and sometimes I read the news.
Then I brush my teeth again after eating.
Oh, good. That's very important.
After that, I get ready to leave.
Get ready to leave means you prepare to go out.
I put on my shoes, I take my bag, my keys.
Yes, I also put on my coat if it's cold outside.
And then finally, I leave the house or go to work.
Leave the house, go to work. Perfect.
Okay, everyone, let's practice all the phrases together.
Yes, listen and repeat after us. Ready?
Wake up,
Get out of bed.
stretch,
Wash my face.
brush my teeth,
Take a shower.
get dressed,
Make breakfast.
have breakfast,
Check my phone.
get ready to leave.
Leave the house.
Wonderful! You're doing great.
Now let's use these in sentences.
Good idea. I'll start. I wake up at 6:30 every day.
After I wake up, I get out of bed and stretch.
Then I go to the bathroom and wash my face.
I brush my teeth for 2 minutes.
After that, I take a shower.
Then I get dressed and go to the kitchen.
I make breakfast, usually toast and coffee.
I have breakfast while I check my phone.
After breakfast, I brush my teeth again.
Then I get ready to leave the house.
Finally, I leave the house and go to work.
Perfect. Did you follow that, everyone?
Listen again if you need to. It's okay to repeat the lesson.
Now let's do a fun role play.
Yes, imagine Maya and I are talking about our mornings. Listen carefully.
Ready? Let's go.
Hey Maya, you look tired today. Did you wake up late?
Yes, I woke up at 8 a.m. today. I forgot to set my alarm.
Oh no, what did you do?
I got out of bed very quickly. I didn't have time to stretch.
Did you take a shower?
No, I only washed my face and brushed my teeth.
Wow, you were in a hurry.
Yes, I got dressed in 5 minutes.
Did you have breakfast?
No, I didn't have time. I only drank some coffee.
You should eat breakfast, Maya. It's important.
I know. Tomorrow I will wake up earlier.
Good idea. What time will you wake up?
I will wake up at 7 a.m. That's better for me.
Yes, and you can have a nice, relaxing morning.
Exactly. I want to have breakfast, check my phone, and not rush.
That sounds perfect.
Okay, everyone. Did you understand that conversation?
We talked about a busy morning when Maya woke up late.
Yes. Sometimes we have busy mornings, and sometimes we have relaxing mornings.
The important thing is to have a good routine.
All right, let's review the key vocabulary one more time.
Yes, these are the most important words and phrases from today.
Number 1, wake up, to stop sleeping and open your eyes.
Number 2, get out of bed, to leave your bed and stand up.
Number 3, stretch, to move your arms and legs to wake up your body.
Number 4, wash my face, to clean your face with water.
Number 5, brush my teeth, to clean your teeth with a toothbrush.
Number 6, take a shower, to wash your body with water.
Number 7, get dressed, to put on your clothes.
Number 8, make breakfast, to prepare your morning meal.
Number 9, have breakfast, to eat your morning meal.
Number 10, check my phone, to look at messages and emails.
Number 11, get ready to leave, to prepare to go out.
And number 12, leave the house, to go outside and start your day.
Excellent. Now you know how to talk about your morning routine in English.
You can use these phrases every day.
Okay, everyone, we're near the end of today's podcast.
But before we go, we want to ask you our question of the day.
Yes, here's the question.
What time do you wake up every day?
Tell us in the comments, do you wake up early like Leo or a little later like me?
We want to know. Please write your answer in the comments below.
And if you enjoyed this lesson, please give us a thumbs up.
Yes, click that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your friends.
It really helps us a lot.
Thank you so much for listening today, everyone.
We hope you learned something new and useful.
Keep practicing your English every day, even just a little bit.
And remember, learning English is a journey. Be patient with yourself.
You're doing great.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye-bye.
Bye, everyone.